Okay, I've been talking about a chance of rain. We say that all the time. It's never for sure. It's always
minimal.
a chance.
But the good news is, though, I think if you wanted to wait for rain, at least you could just dump the ice bucket on top of your head and say, hey, look, it was raining, right? And do it for a good cause. Today was definitely the day to do that because it was a little bit warm today. However, when you look further out over toward the mountains, you saw a lot of those clouds beginning to build up. Actually reported 2 lightning strikes, according to the National Weather Service earlier today. The radar, though, currently is looking a little bit better since the last 12 hours or so. You can see most of those showers out over toward the mountain communities have died down. We'll get a little bit of a break tomorrow, and then looking for more activity as we head in through around Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures are also going to take a dip for us. Currently, we're looking pretty nice outside, though, about 70 degrees. Noticing our winds 8 miles per hour. They did gust up to around 15 today, and we could see them gusting up to around 15 as well along the coastline, possibly up to 35 out toward the mountain and desert communities. But where it's really windy, check out what's happening in the tropics. This is a new storm for you just in the last few hours, and about 500 to 600 miles away from the southern tip of Baja. Forecasted, though, just to stay out over the open water, so not impact land. But we are going to get some of the cloud coverage, and that's what's also going to produce a little bit of moisture, enough so that we could squeeze out a few raindrops, maybe even a rumble of thunder out toward the mountain communities for us. That moisture, which is to our south, combines with this upper level low. Those two things are going to scoop on in, so much so that we'll end up noticing the chance of rain for you as we head through Wednesday. Plus, we'll notice temperatures falling. Tomorrow, maybe about 1 degree cooler along the coast, 3 degrees cooler out toward the inland areas, and about 5 degrees cooler for the mountain communities. And then you'll notice the increase in cloud coverage for us on into Wednesday with that chance of rainfall. Here goes the proof for you, hour by hour, starting you off tomorrow at 7 a.m. Look at how thick these clouds actually get, spreading all the way out over toward lakeside. They should begin to clear inland once we get to around 10 o'clock, but a little bit more stubborn along the coastline. Finally getting some sunshine once we head through around noon, but I do think we'll end up calling in more clouds than sunshine along the coastline for that day. And then as we head through Wednesday around 3 to 5 o'clock, that's when you'll begin to notice a little bit more of the rainy activity beginning to pick up. The best chance of that out over toward Borrego and into Julian. 7-day forecast for you, 76 degrees tomorrow. That is finally seasonal. 77 Wednesday with that 10% chance of rain. Inland looking 84 degrees. That will be cooler for you. 85 Wednesday with an isolated shower. Major heat up, though, by the weekend. The mountains 79 degrees, breezy and cooler tomorrow. A 20% storm chance on Wednesday. The desert's 100 degrees. A windy night for you. Isolated showers for you on Wednesday as well. That's a look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
Thank you, Sabrina.